welcome back to the channel and welcome to this week's video. I'm at Llanberis Lone Tree with the lads this morning, but I think the sun might have risen too soon. I thought we were going to get some decent shots anyway, so we'll find it. Well, it's quite busy here at the Lone Tree, so which is to be expected. It's quite a popular site. We've got a couple of shots of it, and I will put them up, various different ones. I've gone portrait and I've gone in landscape, but it's some nice colour over the top of the mountains there that you can see, and there's a little bit of snow on the top of Snowdon as well. So all in all, not too bad a shot. Could have been a lot worse. Could have been pouring down with rain at the end of the day. So yeah, really happy. Finally got the Lone Tree, and one that I can tick off the list for definite. It's only going to be a short video because the Lone Tree, there isn't really that much more here apart from the tree. I'm going to see if I can get some long exposure stuff of the lake just to finish the morning off, and we're probably going to leave it at that. So I'm going to get my bag round here so I can get some long exposure sort of set up, and see, we'll go from there. Okay, so a couple of long exposures there as well. Not really a chance to do much filming, so it's only going to be a short video. But yeah, that's the Llanberis Lone Tree. I could have gone into detail about sort of settings and things like that. I'll put all the settings for the photos on the bottom of the actual photos when they come up on the screen. But yeah, nice beautiful setting. Very busy setting, as to be expected. But Llanberis, I think that's how you say it, Llanberis Lone Tree, done.
Bit that just off the side will have a nice bit of flow for it.
Lovely.
See what I mean, mate? You can't get in there.
Yeah.
That doesn't stop.
Yeah, it would. Okay, so I've clambered up the rocks from down where the guys are to get more of a head-on view of this waterfall. It's gushing down at quite a rate, so I'm going to have to keep my shutter speed up quite a bit. So I'm up to 1/4 of a second. I'm usually at about 1/8 of a second, but even at 1/4 of a second, it's still flowing. It's still looking really creamy. I put the 1.2 ND grad just to balance that sky in this gorge, because it's quite dark in here and the sun is just starting to, well, the sky is just starting to lighten up above our heads. So that's why I've sort of done it. That's why I put that on. We've got another little waterfall sort of coming down just to my side here, which is really quite nice as well. But there's a lot of trees, there's a lot of branches and that in the way. I quite like this shot. I don't think it's an award winner of any sort of description, but it's a shot you've got to take when you're up this way. It's a shot that I've got in the bag. I'm going to go back down to the bottom where the lads are and see if I can't get one side on now, and get the bit of water that's just coming over that top edge. But yeah, if I'm actually down there, I can probably pick up this one as well. So yeah, really nice waterfall. Glad I've got it. I am a f6.3 ISO 100 and 1/4 of a second polarizer and a 1.2 ND grad. But please remember that these are just guides. They're not set in stone. If you come here at different times of the day, night, times of the year, they're going to be different. So just use them as a guide. So yeah, I'll stick it up. I'll make my way back down. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll speak to you again in a sec. Okay, so last shot from this location before we head up to the quarry. I've got all 3 spouts, exactly the same settings as before, although I'm at 1/8 of a second at f8, but all the same filters, polarizer, the blue sky above, the trees are lit up at the top. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Really glad we took the time to walk up here and have a look. We nearly didn't, and yeah, set the day up really nicely. So next video, we are heading up to Denoric Quarry for a good look around there. This was just an added bonus really. So hope you enjoyed the video. Mark, Tom and Martin's channels are all linked in the description below, and I probably linked them through the video in one of these corners as well. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, consider doing so. There's plenty more of this content to come, and I'll see you on the next one.